In this video, I will test the most effective TradingView buy-sell signal indicator strategy that gives 100% accurate signals, and it can potentially increase your account size by 1000%. Sounds really promising, so let's actually see what is this all about. For my backtesting, I will set my initial account size at $100 with 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna do my backtesting on Ethereum USDT 5-minute chart. Now let's go ahead and add our indicators. So for the first indicator, we will search for whole MA, this one right here. For the second indicator, we will need to add super trend. So super trend, buy and sell by this creator right here. And lastly, let's add an indicator called buy and sell rates. This one right here. Okay, so now let's adjust these indicators one by one. So first we're going to double click on this whole MA and make this line a bit more visible. Also, into our input section, we're going to change the period from 16 to 42. Now let's double click on this super trend indicator and change the ATR period from 1 to 25 and this ATR multiplier from 10 to 2.7. Also, let's color these lines in green and red. We're not going to change the settings on this buy and sell rates indicator. We're just going to leave the inputs on the default. Now our strategy is ready. Let's get into our trading rules. Okay, so the rules for entering a long trade are very simple. So first of all, we need to have a new buy signal from our super trend indicator. Also, this whole MA line has to be colored in green. And this buy and sell rates histogram has to be colored in green as well. Once we have all these conditions fulfilled, we're going to go ahead and place a buy order. Set our stop loss just below this whole MA line and target 2 times the risk. Okay, so we see the trade easily hits our take profit target. Exactly opposite rules apply for shorts. So first of all, we need to have a new sell signal from our super trend indicator. Also, this whole MA line has to be colored in red, and this buy and sell rates histogram has to be colored in red as well. And once we have all these conditions met, we're going to go ahead and place a sell order and set our stop loss slightly above this whole MA line. Okay, so we see the price successfully hit our take profit target and we have a winning trade. Okay, let me now give you some more examples so I have a better idea of how to trade with this strategy. So we see we just got a new sell signal issued by our super trend indicator. Also, we see the rest of our indicators agree. So now we can go ahead and take a short position, set our stop loss and our take profit target. Okay, so we see this trade was profitable. Now let's go ahead and find some more signals. Okay, so this is where we have a new buy signal issued by our super trend. We see the whole MA is colored in green and we have a green histogram. So we can go ahead and take a long position, set our stop loss. Okay, so we see we've got another successful trade. So this is where we have a new sell signal, but this signal is not confirmed because the histogram is still being green, so we're gonna ignore this signal. So this buy signal is confirmed. Now let's go ahead and take another long position, set our stop loss, and a take profit target. Okay, so we see this trade turned out to be a losing trade, but don't worry, losses happen. Okay, so now we know exactly how to trade with this strategy, so let's go ahead and backtest it 100 times and wait for the results at the end of this video. Okay, so I just finished my backtesting and here are the results. So this strategy's got a 30% win rate, which is a bit lower than promised. We also lost 21.15% of our account after 100 trades, which is absolutely perfect. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Our profit factor is 0.86 and we had 4 consecutive wins against 9 consecutive losses. By the way, I did not test this strategy on a choppy market. We see the price was trending absolutely fine. I have 2 main problems with this strategy. So the first problem is this strategy does not eliminate losses. So if the market starts moving sideways, you will have 5, 6 or even 7 losses in a row. The second problem with this strategy is that it gives a lot of false signals. For example, this sell signal right here was absolutely unnecessary because as we can see, the overall trend is bullish. We cannot trade against the trend and this system is a proof of that. Okay, so in terms of win rate, this 100% accurate trading strategy is sitting on a very last place. This is officially the worst strategy I have ever tested on this channel. So hopefully this video will save you some time and money, and if you could spend 1 second of your time and like it, I would appreciate it a lot. Also, if you want to see more content like this in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel.